My dad just told me that there was a car crash outside my, in front of our house, and I'm gonna go check out what it is. What? I can't believe this. Like, I was just sitting watching YouTube, and then all of a sudden, there's a car crash. Like, why the heck is there a car crash? How did I not notice that? I would have heard something. It's just sitting there smashed. Like, the cops are there. Like, I don't want to make them mad. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to pretend to be playing in the snow, okay? God. Look at all my footmarks. There's so many. Oh my god. Oh, it's getting in my socks. I'm making new footprints. Yeah. How the heck is that? Guys, I hope that person is okay that was in the car. I really hope that person's okay. So guys, I'm just gonna end the video. I can't believe that happened. I didn't even hear it. And I was like, what? I don't know. That's really weird, but I'm just gonna end the video here. Bye.